Hello, welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. The 66th Filmfare Awards were held in Mumbai on Saturday evening where many celebrities bagged many awards for their amazing contribution to the films. Now, Taapsee Pannu's Thappad won big at the award function as it bagged the Best Actor Award for The Star, Best Film Award, Best Story and even Best Editing Award, whereas late actor Irfan Khan was honoured with Lifetime Achievement Award and Best Actor Award for Angrezi Medium. Now, filmmaker Om Roth bagged the Best Director Award for Tanaji and Saif Ali Khan for the Best Supporting Role Male Actor for the same film. On yesterday's award function, actor Ayushmann Khurrana met Irfan Khan's son Babil Khan for the first time while he presented Irfan Khan's award to him. Now later the actor took to Instagram to share a portrait of late actor and dedicated a poem for him. Talking about the portrait, the actor said that this is somewhere in Bandra but he is somewhere resting in peace. He even spoke about Irfan's son Babil and wrote that met this beautiful boy for the first time, would see him to do well in future. Talking about various artists, this actor said that artists are unique species. We have our own vulnerabilities and imaginations and theories. We are on observations and experiences. We live and die 1,000 deaths on the celluloid on stage. Actor Kangana Ranaut, who recently celebrated her birthday sharing Thalaivi trailers in two different cities, that is Delhi and Mumbai, on the same day, recently headed to Jaisalmer for the remaining shoot for her upcoming film Tejas. Now, the actor was recently praised by many for her Thalaivi trailer. In fact, filmmaker Ram Gopal Verma accepted that no actor in this world has her versatility. Actor Sara Ali Khan, Akshay Kumar finally wrapped the shoot for their upcoming release at Rangi Re. Now taking to Instagram, the actor posted many pictures with filmmaker Anand L. Rai and co-stars Akshay Kumar and Dhanush, thanking them all for the beautiful journey throughout and even the opportunity given to her. Now speaking of Dhanush, in the post, the actor thanked the superstar for being helpful and inspiring and especially for introducing her to South Indian food, while Sara also apologized to Akshay Kumar for stalking him throughout on the set. According to a recent study, the Duke of Cambridge, Prince William, is titled as the sexiest bald man in the world. Now, you heard it right. According to a report on The Sun, it was found that out of all the bald people on the planet, William was one of the most associated with Google search terms and blog posts labeled sexy, attractive or hot. Now, in the report, the Duke also managed boxing icon Mike Tyson, who placed second on the same list. Not just that, but William has been called the word sexy 17.6 million times online according to the research results. And if you were waiting to see Nawazuddin Siddiqui romancing on the screen, then your wish has been granted. Now, the actor, who is mostly known for his serious roles, recently shared his first music video titled Barish Ki Jai, which also features actor and singer Sunanda Sharma. Now, the song, inspired by a true love story, was released yesterday and has already gained over 3.5 million views. Now, the song, written and composed by Jani, is sung by National Award winner B. Prak. If you haven't watched it yet, you should. Actor Hrithik Roshan and ex-wife Suzanne Khan recently reunited to celebrate their son Rihan's 15th birthday. Now taking to Instagram, Suzanne shared a few pictures wishing her son a very happy birthday. The picture also had Hrithik's father Rakesh Roshan and his mom Pinky Roshan in the frame. A picture of Aamir Khan's daughter Ira Khan with her boyfriend Nupur Shikhare is going viral on social media. Now, the star kid recently shared a picture on her Instagram of her with her boyfriend Nupur Shikhare, who is a celebrity gym trainer. Now, Ira was having a movie night with him. However, she often shares pictures with her boyfriend. Ira's father Aamir Khan is currently self-isolating as he recently tested COVID positive. Hollywood star Scarlett Johansson has opened up about the many controversies she has quoted over the years. Now, during an interview with the Gentlewoman for Spring and Summer 2021 issue, Johansson admitted that she has made a career out of controversy. To list a few, Johansson caused an uproar a few years ago after she featured in the movie Ghost in the Shell in the lead role, a part many believe should have been played by an Asian actor. She was also criticized for agreeing to play a transgender character in Rub and Tug. After the controversy, the 36-year-old actor had to leave the project. Now, those were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.